everyone, welcome to the Heath Street Minute. 1 minute of knowledge coming at you. This week we're going to jet on through some math, so stick with me. Now let's pretend you're like me and you have no dust collection whatsoever. To start, you will need to determine the maximum CFM that your tools require. To do this, you're going to measure out the diameter of each tool's dust port. Write them down and compare them to this chart here to get their corresponding CFM. Circle your largest CFM. Next, measure out your pretend ductwork in feet. Total up the number of 45 and 90 degree bends per branch. Take that total, multiply it by an equivalent straight measure, add that number to your hose and duct lengths to get your total static pressure loss per branch. Do that for each branch, total up all those numbers to get your total static pressure loss for the whole system, and circle that number. Then head on over to the store with your two circled numbers and find a system that meets or beats those two numbers.